My ice maker bin is stuck in a maytag MFI2568AES. It has ice in it but won't dispense ice, nor can I take the bin out.
Hello, my name is will assist you tonight. When you try to dispense, can you hear anything?
It makes a churning noise, but nothing is coming out of the chute, nor is the door coming out of the bin clogged with ice like it has been in the past.
I'm sorry to say, I think you are going to have to use brute strength to pull the bin out. What has most likely happened is it has frozen to the auger motor.
I have mashed the release button on the side using everything to push it short of a sledgehammer. Is there a way to trip the release button? Or do I just need to apply more pressure?
You can also use a blow dryer to heat the metal corkscrew piece and then try to apply more pressure.
Okay, we'll try the blow dryer method and more pressure.
Just let me know.
Will do, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.